What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. JP here, Dynamic AI Tech. If you guys haven't already done so, if you could hit that like and subscribe button, because we are definitely getting the word out about finding free or highly discounted AI generation software, because my goodness, we know how expensive costs can get as content creators. Now, today, I'm going to be creating a music video in a program called OpenArt AI, but what I'm more excited about is I reimagined one of my originals from 8 years ago that I released, and it's on Amazon and Pandora and Spotify and all the major streaming platforms, called 8-Ball. I reimagined it in Suno AI. I downloaded the stems and re-recorded my vocals in Logic Pro, and I'm super excited to re-release this song. But my goodness, now 8 years later, I can finally create a music video using AI software. I could not even imagine doing this 8 years ago, what I can accomplish now using a program called OpenArt AI. So we are in Suno right now, and I'm going to make this as quick and painless as possible, and I hope you guys learn a lot from this. And I recommend that you stay to the end, because you're not going to want to miss anything. All right, so here we are in Suno, and let me just find my track. So again, Suno isn't only about creating or prompting songs. You can do so many more things with this. You can download the stems, and you can download different versions and put them into your DAW, into your workstation. You can record your own vocals over these songs in your own DAW. You can use Suno Studio, and you can kind of manipulate and modify the songs and change the lyrics. So many things you can do. I recommend you check out Suno if you haven't. But here we are. And let me just hop down here to the bottom. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to let you listen to a quick sample of what I recorded 8 years ago, and then I'm going to let you listen to a quick sample of what Suno did. And on the version in Suno, it is not my voice. This is a much better AI voice, and you'll hear my voice in just a minute. But okay, here's the original.
You're standing in my way, kick it back like yesterday, and I've got nothing left at all. Why you gotta block my shade? You think you have it made. Your thick tears come down like...
Okay, so that is just the verse on that one. So I chose this cover right here. And again, if you didn't know Suno can do this, yes, it can. It can create covers of your own original songs. So here we go. This is the newer one.
You're standing in my way, I kick it back like yesterday, and I've got nothing left at all. Why you gotta block my sheen? You think you have it made. Your thick tears come down like in that magazine. Mind spent. I'm looking for the 8-ball that is called my name. Shake it up, throw it down, and live my life.
Okay, so yes, that is the version I took. I downloaded the stems and then re-recorded my vocals over that one. So anyway, that is Suno. We're done in Suno. We're going to hop over to OpenArt AI, and let's start creating our video. So here's the dashboard, and OpenArt AI, I cannot recommend this software enough. It does so many awesome, incredible things. And no, I'm not just saying that. I use OpenArt AI for just about everything. So music videos, explainer videos, character vlogs, ASMR videos, you can build your stories, and you can create any image you want. You can create any video you want. You can also do consistent characters, so many things, and even audio, you guys. But the only thing that we're going to be focusing on today is this music video creation. So let's do it. And here we have 4 options. We have a singing video, a narrative video, visualizer, and lyrics video. So I want to see how this does with a singing video of myself. I've already cloned myself in here. So let's do this one. Let's see what happens. Okay, it says paste link or upload song. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so what we have to do right now is just choose our character. So let's go ahead and choose me. Then we're going to quickly type in just a quick description of our scene, right? So we want to set the scene. I'm going to say in a cafe in the city, maybe walking around the city, thoughtful, optimistic. I'd like there to be a river in this video, and yeah, let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, we're done with our description. And now we have to choose our model. And while a lot of these look very alluring and very attractive, I'm going to go ahead and stick with cinematic. And I don't want captions with this, so let's go ahead and toggle this one off. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and create our storyboard, which is going to allow us to see the images before the videos are generated. Okay, our storyboard is done, so let's take a peek. So we have our prompts on the left, and we have our image generated right in the middle. And then generate this shot with image right here. It says this is the action that the camera is going to take. And they look pretty good. I don't know how they're going to make this into a music video with me singing quite yet. It's a lot of me just kind of staring at the camera. But the images look fantastic. That's why I recommend using Nano Banana Pro. Okay, all of our images are done and they look good. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to generate our full story. And this is going to cost, guys, this is going to cost 4,100 credits. Okay, let's go ahead and generate our full story. Okay, so the video is done and I played it for a few seconds and it's kind of what I had expected with lip syncing. Lip syncing is not great right now. So what I would really like to do is go back and try the other 3 options to see what type of video I can create. Right now, I'm just showing you the lip syncing feature, the singing video option, but let me just show you what I mean.
You're standing in my way, kick it back like yesterday, and I've got nothing left at all. Why you gotta block my shade? You think you have it made. Your fake tears come down like waterfalls. I'm coming back to you. Not looking for the 8-ball that is called my name. Shake it up, throw it down and live my life again. And I'm looking for the monster laying in my head to scare it out, turn around, I am not there yet. Your screams are breaking me. What's in that magazine? They've told that story 80 times. Cross fingers for the rest. Don't matter, my mind is spent. 900 channels to unwind. I'm coming back to you.
Okay, I think you get the point. The visuals are amazing, but the lip syncing is off. So, I mean, what I could do is I could cherry pick the best video lip syncing scenes in this, and then I can go and grab B-roll, and then I can grab some images and kind of piece this video together, which I might do. But anyway, this was just an example of what OpenArt can do. And I still believe OpenArt AI is one of the best programs out there to create music videos. So there is another program out there that does music videos, and it does a pretty good job also. It's called Cremi, and I've been experimenting and exploring that program along with OpenArt AI. OpenArt AI has a lot more functionality, but Cremi's quality is very, very close to OpenArt AI. Anyway, this is AI. This is the nature of the beast. Nothing is perfect. Make sure you stay tuned because my objective here is to help you guys find the best programs out there to use so you can save yourself some money. All right, I will see you all on the next video.